What is up, everyone? This is David and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I am outside. I just got a text message saying that there's a package waiting for me in the post box, and in that package is the new DJI Air 3s drone in the Fly More combo with the N3 remote control. I got it for 1,419 euros. That will be 13.99 in the US dollars. All right, let's go and pick up the package. All right, there we go. Let's open the box. Oh, there it is. I got the package. I'll see you in the studio. All right, everyone, we are back in the studio, and with me is guest for today, DJI Air 3s Fly More combo with the RC N3 controller. Let's open the box and see what comes in the package. As you can see, all the parts are packed in this nice gray bag with a magnet lock. So, first out is the drone itself. DJI Air 3s features a dual camera system mounted on a 3-axis gimbal. First camera has a 50 megapixel 1-inch sensor with a 14 stops of dynamic range. That is impressive. It has a 24mm lens with an f-stop of 1.8. The camera shoots 4K up to 120 frames per second or 1080p 240 frames per second with a bitrate of 130 megabits per second. Second camera has a 48 megapixel 1/1.3-inch sensor with a 70mm lens f2.8. Same as the other one, shoots 4K 120 frames per second or 1080p 240 frames per second with a bitrate of 130 megabits per second. Just as it was in the previous version of this drone, you're able to shoot in a 10-bit D-Log-M color space or HLG. This time, the maximum ISO is increased to 3200. In a standard color space, you're able to shoot with ISO 12800. Just as it was with DJI Neo, Air 3s has a built-in storage, 42 gigabytes. Well known from Air 3, obstacle avoidance system has a brand new LiDAR sensor in front to help you fly in tough conditions and low light. It also features 6 vision sensors, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and 2 in the bottom. What got improved is that they see in a low light of 6 lux. Air 3s features also a brand new downward infrared time of flight sensor and a light. Vision Assist provides all direction view for better understanding of the surrounding and safer flight. Air 3s features the next generation smart return to home. It allows for home return without GPS and during nighttime. Apart from the drone, in the Fly More combo, you'll also find the new RC N3 remote control that features a 10-bit 04 video transmission up to 20 kilometers, regulated in the US, or up to 10 kilometers in European Union. Package also features a charging hub with 3 extra batteries. Each one of them is supposed to last 45 minutes of flight. Apart from instructions manual, spare propellers and some cables, the package contains a set of ND filters. ND8 takes down 3 stops, ND32 takes down 5 stops, and ND128 that takes down 7 stops. If you don't buy the Fly More combo, I still highly encourage you to get the set of ND filters. This will help you get those beautiful cinematic shots and a proper exposure. If you want to see more videos like this, I highly encourage you to like and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the air. Let's fly!